5:30? You gonna be able to get up that early? Oh, I'm already live? Wow, sorry about that. I didn't know I was already live. Well, that's crazy. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for being here. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, so I have some stuff I'm excited to share. I am going on a trip tomorrow to it's a business trip. So I worked on some business cards and I wanted to do something kind of unique, something different than your regular business card. And so this is my iPad and I designed this on my iPad. And I hope y'all can see okay. Hey, hi Cindy. Aw, hi Sandy. Anyway, and so I designed this, and then I wanted to make stickers out of them because I thought it'd be fun to give a business card that you could use as a sticker. But also, instead of making the whole thing about me, I thought it'd be fun to do a quote that everybody would enjoy, that because most of these people are crafters. And then I need to get on Facebook real quick to see what y'all can see. Anyway, so they'd have something fun to look at, and then also they'd have my information if they ever wanted to be like, what was that girl? Who was that girl? And then they'd have my info. All right, so I can't believe we're already live. I'm so sorry that I wasn't here for the beginning. Y'all are probably like, what's going on? Okay, so I have really exciting news. Some of you know that I was really close to 3,000 followers. Oops. Okay, so I have really exciting news. Hold on. Some of you know that why can't I turn? Oh, it was the wrong button. Oh my gosh. I feel like I need my teenager to help me right now. I gotta turn the volume down so I don't hear myself. Okay. Really close to 3,000 followers. Anyway, so the exciting news is I did hit the 3,000 followers. Yay! Hi Debbie. Hi Dawn. Oh, thank you. Hi Deborah. Oh. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Okay, so thank you, Linda. Okay, so that's what I decided to do. So from there, I thought, okay, I'm going to print them out first. So I printed them out, and I designed them. Okay, so what I did is I designed it just, let's see, let me show you. I designed it on one page, just this one design. And then I took that design, and I put it into a template that I made that had 8 spots, so I could print out and cut 8. So I did that. Then I wanted to order stickers, and I got on Sticker Mule. If y'all haven't heard of Sticker Mule, it's so awesome. It's so fun. Anyway, and they weren't going to be here in time, so I ordered trusty old Amazon. Had these labels, and they're just they're white. And it's actually, let's see. I had some labels, but they weren't glossy, and my daughter and I just thought we really needed some glossy labels, so that's what these are. And it's just, when I say labels, they're not labels, it's just sticky paper. And I ran that through the printer, and so now I have, where are they? Well, somewhere, here they are. So then I printed these out. Can you see how cute they are? I don't know, let me see. You can see that they're kind of shimmery like a sticker is. You see that? And so then Sticker Mule pulled through and they got it here on time. So here's the ones that are from Sticker Mule, and aren't they so cute because they're so tiny? They're just so tiny. And they actually have a special right now. I have, if you're interested, I didn't even think about this, or I would have gotten it ahead of time. If you're interested, they have a, like a discount right now. If you have the code, and you get 10 for $1, I think, and you're saving like a ton of money. A ton. Like $19 or something. So how cute are those little bitty things? But stickers are so popular. A lot of, especially younger people, enjoy putting them on different things like the cover of their computer, or I've been putting mine right here. And I'm going to go ahead and use the one that I made myself and put it on here so you can see me stick it on something. Where do I put it though? I got so many. Oh, I don't want to cover up anything. I'm going to put it here. Ooh, I'm going to cover that up. Yay! So there's my sticker. But a lot of people put them on water bottles and stuff like that. This is actually a cling that I had made through Sticker Mule. And so it just comes off, which is kind of fun because sometimes you just want a different design. But I had a bunch of those made. And let's see, they had a special on that too. So if you watch out, they'll have specials. But I just love ordering from them. So I'm taking these with me for my trip, and I'm going to give them out to people. Not everybody's getting a sticker. I've got just some plain printed ones, but that's okay. And these I'm not going to cut out. I've tried to make a cute little background so it would be okay not to have to cut everything out because that's crazy. Okay, so there's that. Now, right before I got on here, actually, that's what I was doing when I wasn't on here, when I was supposed to be on here, is I got this at my doorstep. I just heard this clunk at the door, and my dogs were going crazy, so I was like, oh my gosh, what is it? So I ordered something else through Sticker Mule, and you'll have to see what that is with me. Anyway, y'all, I'm so excited. If you have not... Okay, so I made a post that I'm almost at 3,000 followers. Well, since then, I've gotten at 3,000, and I'm celebrating with Happy Mail. So anybody who makes a comment underneath that post will get entered for Happy Mail, and I'm drawing next week. So make sure you do that. If anybody's interested in that sticker paper, I do have the link to that too. Okay, so here's what I ordered. Look how cute. It's the little things. They had a special this last week on stickers, which these are different kind of stickers. They're like, well, they're not on their own. Like, if these would be hard to give away, you know, these other ones, they're all already independently cut and have the back and everything. But this is just like, I don't know what I'll use them for, but they're so dang cute. I couldn't help myself. But it's just a roll of stickers. How fun. I was really worried about the size too, because they're kind of small, but you know what? They're perfect. You can totally read them. Ah, joy. Just the joy that it brings me. Anyway, so that was the special last week. I thought, I'm just going to try it out and see if they're as cute as I thought they would be. And they are. So that's what I've been up to lately. Another thing I've been up to, some of you probably have seen this. I feel like I've posted it a million bajillion times, but I've been playing with my iPad. And let me find that and show you that too. And I've been very into working on chapels. I don't know. I just love them right now. And let me see if I can find where. Here we go. So here's my chapel art is what I'm calling it. And I have, y'all see that okay? Here's one that I designed. And let's see. So all of these are layers. So if I take away anything that I've done, like I took that white away, it has that hot pink underneath. So every one of these are layers. So if I take certain things off, there's the words in white, then you can see like how I built this. So let's see. Let me show you how that one turned out when I printed it. Turned out like that. This is my home printer. I had some printed with through Vistaprint, and I can't wait to show you all that too. So when those come in, I'll have to show you all that. So there's that one, and I made this into a card. And originally I was just kind of thinking of them as postcards, but I went ahead and made them into, let me take that off. Okay, so I made it into cards. So if I print them out and you cut them in half, then I get 2 cards out of a sheet. And so this one turned out like this. Nope, that's not it. Oh, here it is. Turned out like that. And at first I wasn't sure how I felt about the real light writing, but I think it's pretty because it's subtle. It doesn't, it doesn't have this dark background where this pops out, but it's still, sometimes subtle is good, right? And then, let's see. Oops, I'm missing comments. Hello, hello. Sandy, thank you. It was so fun. So fun. Thank you, Lynette. Oh, Cindy. I know. And Pam, hello, hello. Hi, Jennifer. Thank you, Dawn. I appreciate that. Thank you, Cindy. Hi, Lisa. Okay, so anyway, so there's that. Now, whoops, it is well with my soul. What I wanted to do is when I started doing the churches, I thought I've got to put little like hymns with them and stuff. And so some of my favorite hymns I used, but there's that one. So it prints pretty true to color. Not exactly, but pretty true. Or on my printer. I don't know what it's going to come out like through VistaPrint, but okay. And then I did, where's this one? This one? This one's right here. And let's see. I printed it out 2 different ways. This one's a postcard. And you know what's cute is just making this an enclosure card. Just to write on the back, happy birthday, I'm so glad we're friends. And then tucking it into a gift bag. Or taping it to the outside of the gift bag. It makes it really cute. It dresses it up. So that's kind of fun. But then I turned it into a real card. And then that'll be a fun little... And what I love about these two is that they are for any occasion. Like I said, it could be Christmas. I mean, it could be birthday. It could be anniversary. It could be congratulations. It's for anything. It could be thinking of you. And then, I think that's all of them. Yeah. So I think I showed you all 4. Got an iPad, iPencil, on clearance for $69, and Procreate. But now I'm lost. You need to sit down and... I know, Natalie. It's overwhelming, but just... Have you seen my YouTube series I just started? It's like very basic. I think it'll help you a lot if you haven't seen it yet. Go to YouTube. Let me take you there. And then it's Create with Christy. And then when you get on here, it should be some of the first ones. Let me go to videos. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 videos. So here's the color wheel, how to use layers, brushes, hand lettering, doodling, and Procreate. If you get on here, I would love for you to make comments and let me know what you think about it. And make sure y'all follow my YouTube channel. Because I'm trying to build that too. I'm trying to get to 5,000 on that. So let me see how many I have. 4,910. So I'm getting close. All right. So what else, y'all? I think I've shown you everything I wanted to show you tonight. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I'm going on my trip tomorrow. I'm leaving at 7 a.m. from Tyler. This is the, yeah, Natalie, make sure to get on there. This is the conference I'm going to, and I am a VIP member. Woohoo! That means I get to go to a special dinner tomorrow night, and I have a special lunch. And I don't know if y'all know my business coach is Jennifer Allwood, but she's amazing. And this, what I love about her is she's not just a business coach. She is an amazing influencer on just sharing God's Word. I know, Sandy. It's going to be so great. I'll come back and share what I know. Hi, Faith. Welcome. How's the weather there? Oh, so anyway, this is going to be like a complete, I know Jennifer, she's amazing. Complete Jesus convention, basically, with some business. So I love that she puts him first. So that's it, y'all. I guess that's all I have. I was too pumped to tell y'all about my business card stickers. I have to look at them one more time. They're so cute. I'll compare them for you. The ones I printed out, I did them. Oh, that one's still a sticker. I did them bigger, a lot bigger. I was worried it wouldn't show up, but I think they're super, super cute. That little. It's hot there. Well. Yeah, it's gonna get hotter, I guess. I guess that's that time of year. I know that I think Kansas is having lots of storms right now, is what I was looking at. Okay, if you're interested in the labels to make stickers, I mean, you can make whatever kind of stickers. It's so fun. These are the labels. And like I said, I have a link for that if you're interested. It's an affiliate link, so I'd love for you to order on my page if you are interested in ordering. And then Sticker Mule's the other thing I showed y'all. Love, love Sticker Mule. Oh, and then I have that coupon thing for that too. I know, Dawn, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And I get to see some friends. And one of the best parts is I'm going to meet some online friends that I've never met in person. So I can't wait to do that either. So anyway, you guys have a blessed evening. And thanks for watching. And thanks for hanging in there with me since I wasn't on at the beginning. All right, I'll see you guys later.